boys and girls, it's time for a little bit of Lucy Locket. Can you help me sing? Lucy Locket lost her pocket. Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it. Only ribbon round it. This time, can you sing me the whole song? Ready, spaghettis, off we go. Lucy Locket lost her pocket. Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it. Only ribbon round it. I wonder what 3 SOLFA notes that this song uses. Can you remember? It uses so, then up to la, back to so, then down to me. Show me those 3 hand signs. It goes so, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. Try it. So, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. The next phrase is so, so, la, la, so, me. Then it goes back to so, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. Can you put all that together with the song? Can you echo after me? Do the hand signs, sing in SOLFA. So, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. So, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. This time I'm going to sing the words to the song, but can you echo the SOLFA? So I'll sing the words, but you've got to echo the so's and la's and me's. Are you ready, spaghettis? Lucy Locket lost her pocket. So, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. Kitty Fisher found it. So, so, la, la, so, me. Not a penny was there in it. Only ribbon round it. How'd you go? Sounded pretty good to me. This time, can you do the SOLFA hand signs? You can tap them on your body. So might be here, la might be up here, and where would you put me? Me needs to be lower, so let's put me down on our hips. Try it. It goes so, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. So, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. Great! This time, can you sing the song and do all of those body patterns with your SOLFA notes? It goes the whole song. So, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. So, so, la, la, so, so, me, me. So, so, la, la, so, me. Oh my goodness, exhausting. This time, can you tap your body and sing the words to the song? Lucy Locket lost her pocket. Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it. Only ribbon round it. So that should have looked like this. Are you ready? Let's go. Lucy Locket lost her pocket. Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it. Only you've got the idea. Can you do it one more time by yourselves? With the words, let's go. Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbon round it. Beautiful. Can you clap me the rhythm to the song now? Have a listen. Echo after me. Lucy Locket lost her pocket, Kitty Fisher found it. Go. Not a penny was there in it, only ribbon round it. Great. Let's have a look at those rhythms now. See if you can work them out by yourselves. The first phrase is this one. Lucy Locket lost her pocket. So in tars and tates and sars, there's no sars. In tars and tates, can you work out my rhythm? I'll give you a clue. It only uses tates. 2 sounds in the beat. Every beat has 2 sounds. Can you clap? It goes. Tate, 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 tate. The second phrase sounds like this. See if you can work it out in tars and tates. It goes. Kitty Fisher found it. We've got short, 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 long, long. See if you can work it out in time names yourself. It should be ta-te, ta-te, ta-ta. We've only got 2 rhythm phrases in this song, but they repeat. So the first phrase is all tates. The second phrase is that ta-te, ta-te, ta-ta. The third phrase, what happens? Not a penny was there in it. What was that rhythm? It is all tates, the same as the first phrase. Then the last phrase, only ribbon round it. Have a listen. Can you clap it for me? Ready, go. Have you worked out those rhythms using ta and tates? It should sound like this. Ready and tate, tate, ta, ta. Let's have a look at those rhythms now with our flashcards. So, let's have a look at the rhythm patterns for Lucy Locket. The first phrase sounds like this. Lucy Locket lost her pocket. And we spoke about it being all tates. Which ones out of these 2 rhythms has all tates in it? Remember, a tate is 2 sounds within 1 beat, and it's joined at the top by a beam. So this one here is all tates. So that's our first phrase. That leaves this one to then hopefully be the second phrase for Kitty Fisher found it. Short, 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 long, long. Ta-te, ta-te, ta-ta. Can you clap after me from the beginning? Echo with your clapping hands. It goes. Ta-te, 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 ta-te. Ta-te, ta-te, ta-ta. But what happens next in the song. There's another 2 phrases. The third phrase sounds like this. See if you can guess what rhythm I need for the third phrase. Not a penny was there in it. Bop, 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 bop. Short, 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 short. So which one of these do I need for the next phrase? That's right. I need to write up this exact same phrase repeats down here for the third phrase. So I need ta-te, 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 and a ta-te. Then can you guess what happens for the last phrase? The words are only ribbon round it. Ta-te, ta-te, ta, ta. So it's the same as this phrase for the last phrase. See if you can write out those rhythms yourself on a piece of paper. There are 4 phrases, and if you want something extra to do, you can draw some little squares over here. And I want to know if any of these phrases are the same. You're going to put the same letter. So what letter would I put here? Letter A we start with. Then this phrase is a different phrase. So what letter do I need here? Letter B. Then this one, we spoke about it being the same as this one, so we can write in this box what letter? We will need letter A, exactly. And then this phrase down the bottom, ta-te, ta-te, ta, ta, is exactly the same as this phrase, ta-te, ta-te, ta, ta. So in this box I can write letter B. That's right. See if you can have a go at writing out this rhythm pattern yourself on a sheet of paper, and then I'm going to show you something else you might like to do as well for a little bit of fun. So, if you would like a bit of a super challenge, you could now make the rhythm pattern for Lucy Locket on the floor. I'm using paddle pop sticks, but you could make your tars and your ta-tes out of pencils. You could make your tars and your ta-tes out of chopsticks. You could make them out of toothpicks. Whatever it is, you can make a tar out of. And then you'll need how many sticks for a ta-te? You'll need 3 sticks, 2 going down and then 1 across the top. See if you can make the rhythm for the first phrase of Lucy Locket with me. I will need all ta-tes. There's my first ta-te. I hope you're doing this too with me. I'll race you. Second ta-te. Third ta-te. Did you beat me? And last ta-te. There we go. I've got my first rhythm for Lucy Locket lost her pocket. In time names, it goes ta-te, 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 ta-te. Then the second phrase, wipe your slate clean. The second phrase, do you remember, was for ta-te, ta-te, ta, ta. Kitty Fisher found it. So I need a ta-te. Then what came next? Another ta-te. My next beat had just a ta, and the last beat was a ta as well. So that sounds like this. Ta-te, ta-te, ta, ta. Can you say ta-te, ta-te, ta, ta? And that matches Kitty Fisher found it. See if you can do that phrase by yourself. Then the next phrase, with your lines, can you make the third phrase of the song, which was, not a penny was there in it, ta-te, 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 ta-te. And then the fourth phrase, see if you can put it all together. Only ribbon round it, ta-te, ta-te, ta-ta. Off you go. You might like to pause the video to get that rhythm pattern done yourself. Good luck.
I've had enough of that rhythm. I don't want to do any more.